Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Perry County and central Arkansas, northwestern Garland County and central Arkansas, south central Yell County and central Arkansas, northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, or 16 miles northeast of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Onyx, Fuchs Mountain Recreation R, Story, Fanny.
3:42. This is Eric Bushman in the WBAP 24/7 newsroom. We do need to issue a severe thunderstorm warning for both Palo Pinto and Parker County, so stand by as we do that on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Parker and east central Palo Pinto counties until 4:15. At 3:39 this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm is located over Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. The hazards with this storm involve 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Parker County and east central Palo Pinto County until 4:15 this afternoon. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County in west central Mississippi, northwestern Hinds County in central Mississippi until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newman, or 12 miles west of Raymond, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Edwards around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bovine around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flowers around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Youngton around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Redwood and Oak Ridge around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
With a cloud of day.
A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Nassau County in northeastern Florida, southern Camden County in southeastern Georgia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsland, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Kingsland, Kings Bay Base, Kings Ferry, Dungeness, Harriet's Bluff, and Colesburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Remember, if you can
Source,
thunder,
radar
you are close
indicated.
enough to be struck by
Impact,
lightning.
minor damage to
Torrential
vehicles
rainfall
is possible.
occurring with this storm.
Expect
and
wind damage
flash
to trees
flooding.
and power lines.
Do not drive your
This
vehicle
severe
through
thunderstorm will
flooded
be near Whitestone around
roadways.
5:40 p.m.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued
Delta from around 5:55
for
p.m.
the following county.
Other
Nassau,
locations impacted by the
Florida,
severe
Camden,
thunderstorm
Georgia.
include Bearden, Weems, Senora, Slabtown, Wilton, Harmony Village, Bertrand, Grafton, Amberg, and Wake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Southern Bayfield
Move
County in
indoors immediately.
northwestern Wisconsin.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Northwestern Wisconsin.
Remember,
until
if you can hear
5:50
thunder,
Central
you are
Daylight
close enough
Time.
to be struck by lightning.
4:32 p.m.
Please
Central
report severe
Daylight
weather
Time.
by calling
A severe thunderstorm was located near Barnes,
755-899-2415,
miles
posting
north
to
of
the
Hayward,
National Weather Service
at 20
Wakefield
miles
Facebook
per hour.
page, or using Twitter at
Expected hazards
NWS
include
Wakefield,
60 miles per hour wind
VA.
gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Drummond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Wisconsin, Bayfield, and Douglas. East of Hayward and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Sioux, Iowa, and Union, South Dakota. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hughes County and southeastern Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Calvin, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Calvin, Stewart, Gertie, and Atwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.